In a constantly evolving world, Al-Ajam Company stands tall as a leader in the field of HVAC and ventilation systems. Since 1989, we have embarked from the historic city of Aleppo, Syria, to meet the growing demands of industrial development, with a primary focus on HVAC and ventilation solutions for pharmaceutical factories.
Today, our network spans 5 countries, from Aleppo, Syria to Turkey and Iraq, and from Qatar to Algeria, providing comprehensive solutions that comply with European GMP standards and global ISO certifications.
We specialize in designing, manufacturing, and installing advanced HVAC and cooling systems according to SMACNA standards, utilizing the latest software such as HVAC for load analysis, with a special focus on the pharmaceutical industry.
Our products include air handling units, high-efficiency filtration systems, and precise humidity and temperature control systems. We provide comprehensive services, from design to manufacturing, installation, and ongoing after-sales support.
We take pride in delivering comprehensive engineering solutions that meet the highest global standards of cleanliness and quality in the pharmaceutical industry. Committed to engineering excellence, we ensure that every project adheres to internationally recognized standards. With a team of highly skilled national and international experts, we continue to expand, innovate, and provide advanced mechanical solutions.